the main thing on the Mendix or a low-code platform. Yeah, there are a lot of low-code platforms around. I think almost in Germany you find 1,000 low-code platforms. Yeah, but there are only a handful of them which are really on that spot. Yeah, and Mendix is one of them, and I think it's the best one in the market, and it really helps customers to solve their problems. Yeah. In comparison to the to full stack development, what was in the past, yeah, though that you make your requirements, you spend a lot of time in documentation, give that documentation to development company. I always compare it with a submarine, yeah, that this company goes down with a submarine and they come up again a half a year later with something what the customer wanted, or maybe he intended to want that, yeah. But with Mendix, you really can do it like the dolphin, yeah, in comparison to that. Doing small sprints, yeah, small developments, going back, discuss with the customer. They have the chance to adapt that. And therefore we build so many projects in so many different industries. Yeah, and I'm now only talking on the German market, yeah. In logistics, in industry, in automotive, in retail, whatever. Yeah, and what really makes fun that you really work directly with the business side. Yeah, and when you compare this to working with the IT, yeah, the IT is always complaining and making pressure on costs. Yeah, but if you really add value to the business, yeah, they appreciate that, and then that makes fun and gives motivation back. Yeah, so that's in short. Yeah.